Freebie Commissions, review, demo, and $3,125 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my Freebie Commissions review. Now this is a brand new software that will make you up to $500 per commission simply for giving away free products, freebie products. Okay, so I'm going to show you everything there is to know about this product. We're going to go through the sales page, the inside of the members area, the video training, the funnel, the pricing, and I have a huge bonus worth well over $3,000 and it's custom made especially for this promotion. Okay, so let me share my screen and let's talk about Freebie Commissions and what it does. So first of all, let me just tell you that obviously if you want to build a list, if you want to make affiliate commissions, the best way to grab people's attention is to give away a freebie product. And obviously you can go to sites like Free PLR Downloads and just grab a PLR product, try to give it away. But the problem with that is every single person that you're trying to give a product like this to can also go to Free PLR Downloads and just download it for free. So many people are just giving away the same products over and over and over again, even if it's video training or if it's software. You know, if it's PLR, people can get their hands on them, and this way you're just gonna be no different than 1,000 other marketers trying to make money online by giving away the same exact products. Okay, so it used to work well in the past, it doesn't work as well right now. And even before I'm going to show you the sales page, I just wanted to show you Fiverr and the gigs about just creating a freebie. Okay, so as you can see, I typed in freebie into Fiverr, and as you can see, people just for creating freebies are charging like up to $50. So this person says, I will create a beautiful PDF, workbook, checklist, freebie, etc. $50. This guy says, I will design opt-in freebies, worksheets, $15. As you can see, you know, anywhere from $5 to $50 for simply creating freebies. So if you're going to do nothing else but just use Freebie Commissions to create these simple freebies for other people, you can charge up to $50. And that's not all what Freebie Commissions does, because it also creates funnels. So obviously you're going to be giving away a freebie in the beginning of this funnel, and then the funnel will have an affiliate promotion throughout. Okay, so if someone picks up the freebie and they will decide to buy anything, you're making commission. And if you would like to create these funnels for other people, or you know, maybe if you would like to pay someone for creating a funnel just like this one, you would have to pay anywhere from $35 to $150. So again, I just typed in funnel in Fiverr. As you can see, you know, people charge anywhere from $45 here. I will build an amazing funnel in ClickFunnels or Elite Pages. I will create Facebook advertising sales funnel, you know, high converting sales funnel, etc. So anything from $15 to $150 just for the funnel. So keep in mind, these are already 2 gigs that you would have to buy, but with Freebie Commissions, you essentially have all of this included. And again, you can use Freebie Commissions for yourself, or if you just want to sell gigs on Fiverr and charge anywhere from $15 to $150 a pop, you can. And right now, let me show you the sales page. As you can see, it says Freebie Commissions, the easiest way to bank online profit without selling a thing. How we make up to $497 from every person we give a free product to, and build huge list of profitable subscribers at the same time. No paid traffic, no product creation, no selling. So this is Glenn Koski right here. This is the guy behind the product. You probably already know him. He's releasing products and they are always of super high quality. So again, essentially what you're going to be doing is giving away a freebie, but this freebie is of super high quality. So it's none of this PLR stuff that you can find for free online. This is something custom made, especially by Glenn, just for the members of Freebie Commissions. Okay, so you're gonna be getting super high quality freebie to give away, and obviously not many people will have access to it, so that you can customize it. You know, these guys have a ton of proof this absolutely works. They have some testimonials. Obviously the sales page is pretty big, so I'm not going to go through all of it. Obviously you can go through all of this in your own time. Some more proof right here, some more testimonials. Again, Freebie Commissions, this is the name of this product, and in a second I'm going to show you the members area. Scrolling down here, obviously these guys will have some bonuses mentioned right here on the sales page. I'm gonna give you $3,000 plus worth of bonuses on top of these bonuses mentioned right here. Just scrolling down, 30 days money back guarantee as always. I'm gonna go through the pricing in a second. Little FAQ in the end, that's essentially it. So again, you can go through all of this in your own time. And right now, let me show you, first of all, the training, because you have video training included with this, okay? So we have the overview video, how to set up done-for-you campaigns, how to create your own opt-in campaigns, how to create your social images, and you know, a bunch of bonus training right here as well. So this is the video training that is included in this. So obviously a part of the software, you're gonna get video training on how to use the software and also how to monetize it, okay? So very, very important. They won't just leave you hanging. They will show you exactly how to use it. And then before I'm going to show you the rest, I just wanted to show you an example of how a done follow you funnel looks like. Okay, so first of all, you will create a simple opt-in page, and an opt-in page can look something like this. Obviously you can customize it to you know, whatever your liking is. So this is just an example. So someone will opt in and then they will see an upsell page. So this is like a mini funnel. Essentially, someone opts in, you already have their email address, and from that point on, obviously you can start emailing them with any other promotion that you want. So essentially you become the owner of traffic. So if you have an email list, obviously you own the traffic. You can email these people over and over and over again whenever you want, with this original offer, with a free offer, or with any other offer that you want. It can be a high ticket offer, whatever you want to promote. Again, you own the traffic, so you can do whatever you want with these. And obviously after the squeeze page, they will see an upsell page, just as you are seeing normally when you purchase products. The difference is you're gonna be giving away a free product that is of high quality first, and then people will be going through the funnel, and each and every single thing that they will buy from this funnel, you will get paid for. Okay, so this is 100% done for you. You don't have to do anything. So again, the freebies are included and the funnel is included, so you don't have to do anything. You just have to set up this done for you funnel, and as you can see, you can share it on social media right from within the software. So you can tweet it, you can Facebook it, you can share it on LinkedIn, or you can pin it on Pinterest. And obviously training on how to generate traffic is included as well. Then going back to the dashboard right here, as you can see, we have the welcome video right here. We can access the training right here. You can access Glenn's YouTube channel for more videos. Then we have my profile. So obviously right here you can set up all the settings with your accounts and everything else. So the email, the avatar, and everything else. Then the training that's already showed you, done for you funnels, I already showed you that as well. We have affiliate info. So again, as you can see, we have the preview right here, we have the title, we have the opt-in page, we can preview it, and we have the affiliate link right here, and then you can just create a new campaign right here. And there's a bunch of images, there's a bunch of freebies that you can actually use. So as you can see, we get social images right here. You can actually access Warrior Plus and JVZoo for offers right from within the software, so it saves you a ton of time. So as you can see, you have a little thumbnail creator here as well included. So essentially everything that you need to create these funnels is included. So the freebies are included, all the opt-in pages, upsell pages, everything else is included. The whole funnel is included, and you can even create images, and you can add affiliate links from within the software. So everything you need is included, and obviously you're gonna get paid on every single commission that you make. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Again, this is an example, a squeeze page. Obviously you can optimize it to your liking, and right now I wanted to show you the pricing and all of the OTOs. Okay, so first of all, let me just mention the OTOs, and I'm going to tell you exactly what they are in a second. So as you can see, Freebie Commissions early bird will be $21.97. That's for the Pro version, and that's only for the first 6 hours on October 31st. Then the price will be going up to $23.97 and then $25.97, and eventually it will be $37. Okay, so you can actually grab it with a huge $16 discount now. OTO number 1 is the unlimited version, $97. OTO number 2, done for you funnels, $97 as well. OTO number 3, automated traffic flow, $97 as well. Then we have OTO number 4, conversion boosting tools, $67. OTO number 5, bonus page builder, $67. And OTO number 6, license rights, $197. Now, right here on my blog, as always, I have a full written review, so you can check it all out. I have all the OTOs mentioned right here with a little explanation, so let's go through it right now. As you can see, Freebie Commissions, what you're gonna get is the software, everything that I just showed you basically, so I'm not going to repeat myself. But OTO number 1, this is the freebie payments. As you can see, you can upgrade this and you can give away unlimited funnels. Okay, so you're going to create unlimited landing pages, use even more landing pages, graphics and banners. You're going to be you can use the ad creator. You have unlimited affiliate offers and campaign, and this is packed with a lot more resources. Okay, so that's OTO number 1 for Freebie Commissions. OTO number 2, these are the done for you funnels, as I mentioned. So in this upgrade, you will be offering a big set of proven to convert marketing funnels. So the traffic which be sent to these offers will convert at a higher percentage. Eventually you'll be earning more commissions with a higher conversion rate, and this will let you to churn out profits from a lower number of visitors. Okay, so that's OTO number 2, done for you funnels. OTO number 3, we got automated traffic flow, which means that this is a traffic generator. Essentially, you will be able to add Facebook ad campaigns, email marketing, and Google traffic to your pages. Okay, so this just makes this so much more powerful because you get additional traffic sources. That's OTO number 3. OTO number 4, we get conversion boosting tools, and as you can see, this will be crucial for some vendors. As you can see, you can increase conversions, you can add hello bars, pop-up bars, banners, etc. So just more call to action things, again, like exit pop-ups, etc. So this is a combination of converting boosting tools and high converting marketing funnels given inside Freebie Commissions, and this will just make it a fully ready conversion machine. Okay, then we have OTO number 5, which is the bonus page builder. So obviously you can create bonus pages, like I'm creating a bonus page right here on my blog for an affiliate marketing promotion. You can create it anywhere else, but you can also get OTO number 5 and be able to use ready to go templates. So these will also include bonuses. Okay, so that's bonus page builder, OTO number 5, and OTO number 6, license rights, which essentially means that you can grab this product and keep 100% commissions on the whole funnel when you're going to be selling it. Okay, so me as an affiliate, I'm promoting this, I'm getting 50% commissions. If you want 100% commissions, you can pick up OTO number 6, license rights, and this will let you keep 100% of the profits on all sales that you're going to make with Freebie Commissions. Okay, so OTOs are always optional. You should know that you will be fine with the main product alone. Everything that I showed you in this review video will be inside the main product, including the video training, including, you know, all the pages, funnel, everything that I showed you. But if you want to pick up one of the OTOs, then definitely you can think about it and just think about which makes more sense for you. Okay, so again, I'm going to have a full written review right here on my blog, so you can check it all out. And right now, let me mention all of the bonuses that I'm adding, because I'm adding a super exciting bonus package to Freebie Commissions. Okay, so as you can see, the first bonus is a custom made bonus, especially for this promotion, so you can get it nowhere else but as a part of this bonus. So this is a custom made bonus I made, and this is everything you need to know about just freebie giveaways. Okay, so there's a number of different things that you can do when giving away freebies, and I mentioned all of it in my custom made bonus. Now I'm also going to give you resellers license to 3 of my top selling products: Instavit, Traffic Trapper 2.0 and Traffic Extractor Ultimate. So these 3 resellers licenses alone are worth $500. As you can see, Glenn is selling a reseller's license to Freebie Commissions for $197, and this is exactly what you're getting from me. So again, 3 of my top selling products. You're also going to get Affiliate Traffic Lab, which is an exclusive software bonus. This is a traffic software, so this is perfect. You're going to get the traffic to send it directly to your funnels with Freebie Commissions. I'm also going to give you 5 done for you affiliate marketing campaigns, which means that all you have to do is just copy and paste these, and these will keep on making you money on complete autopilot. So this is actually something that I'm selling as an OTO to my own products. You're gonna get it for free. So these are 5 done for you affiliate marketing campaigns. Now I have a bunch of W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. We have $500 CPA, we have $200 cash hack, $300 CPA every day, the CPA coffee shop method, $2,000 CPA traffic jacker. We have instant traffic jacker, we have the commission magnet, we have the commission toolbox, $100 CPA daily, pure profit payday, WP video, this is a plugin, viral click, another piece of software, affiliate advantage plugin, and image plus, and also list building expert, a great bonus especially for Freebie Commissions. Now we're gonna get 100 e-course publishing tips, that's great as well, especially for this software, speedy content publishing tips and slide share tips videos. Now I'm not done, because I'm going to give you 9 additional pieces of software: affiliate advantage plugin, giant plugin biz, squeeze page writing software, squeeze page creator, true tags, I ask popbox, sales bar, and shortcode call to action. Now that's a total of 32 bonuses worth $1,625. But you're gonna get my mega bonus on top of all of this, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. So my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and together with all the bonuses that I just mentioned, you're getting a total of $3,125. Now these bonuses are all free. I'm just giving them to you as a thank you for picking up Freebie Commissions through my link. And as you can see, Freebie Commissions are going live at 9 a.m. Eastern on October 31st. This is actually wrong right here. So if you want to pick it up from my link, you can just click on any one of these blue links right here on my blog. And if you are watching on YouTube, the first link in the description will take you directly to the sales page, and if you're gonna click on it, you're gonna get all of the bonuses, and the second link will take you to my blog. And again, on my blog you can just click one of these blue links, and the blue link will take you to the sales page, and you're gonna get all of my bonuses as well. Now again, I have a full written review right here on my blog, including a little sum up. So just to go through it really quickly right now, this is a point-and-click software that instantly creates giveaway product funnels. You're going to be giving away done-for-you products for free, effortless profits with premium paid upgrades. So obviously, if someone buys anything, you are getting a commission. Multiple income streams. You're getting 2 free premium products. You can build your email list at the same time. So this is huge, because then you can follow up with any other promotion down the road. Push button profit scaling, you can add any offer to it, affiliate offer, your own offer, whatever you want to add. It gets you 100% free viral traffic with one-click social sharing, 0 maintenance costs, so you don't have to pay for a website or a domain or anything of that sort. Step-by-step video training included, cloud app you can access from your smartphone, so that's a huge thing, because you can even make money on the go. Super newbie friendly, and this automates the whole affiliate marketing process. So again, I have a full written review right here on my blog. You can check all of it out, check out all of the bonuses. And if you're gonna have any questions, please let me know, because I'm always here to help you. Now, If you're watching on YouTube, please give it a like. Please subscribe to the channel for more review videos just like this one. Again, if you have any questions, please leave me a comment, and I'll be seeing you very, very shortly in the next review video and when Freebie Commissions goes live. And again, it goes live on October 31st at 9 AM Eastern. So see you there. Ciao.